Lorna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. On February 28th, coming up very quickly, is the collab contest challenge that Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley and I are doing together. It is a collaboration where she and I are working on Roaring 20 flapper dresses, and you get to judge us. Everybody loves to judge. We're also asking the doll community to join in with their own videos with the hashtag Doll Flapper Challenge. And everybody will upload that day. It won't have a particular time. Tammy and I do, but you won't have a particular time to upload your Roaring 20s outfits. It can be any doll, any 20s outfit. We'd love it if it was flappers. You do not have to make it, but it's fun when you do. Anything you want with that, we would just love for you to join in. Tammy, look out. I'm having fun and I've got my beads everywhere. No big promise on those though, because I'm not finding the ones I want to use. But I am also working on the mini Blythes, and it's going to be a long day for beading. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.